Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward, but it's certainly an interesting setup here moving forward. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap down, and then after the gap down, the price just does something like this the rest of the day. Just bleeds and bleeds and bleeds. But that was not the case here. In this situation, yeah, there was a gap down, but then the price at least started to go sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there was a gap down and then just because the price happened to go sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom. My core point here is it's at least a rational and valid thought to have. Case in point, let's just say that the price actually was doing something like this right here, where it was literally just going straight down, and then I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally going straight down. But that's not the case here. So again, a guaranteed bottom? No, but it's at least a valid thought to have. And that is also why this area right here is a very important level of support moving forward at 37 cents for no fancy reason other than the fact of if the price were to come down to 37 and then break down below it, well, at that point, that's essentially no longer the bottom because, well, now all of a sudden the price is putting in newer lows. So very simple logic there. So 37 cents is important from that angle. But if this is some sort of bottom, and, there's a little upwards movement that's occurred here, but if this is, like I said, some sort of bottom and the bulls start to show up and try to get the prices start to head back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level to watch very, very closely, going to be right up there at the 39 cent mark. And then if the price can break through 39, now I'm not saying it's going to shoot up there and close the gap at 53, but my point here is technically speaking, because of that big gap down, there's quite a bit of space where the price could find some momentum there. So we'll see what happens with it, but yeah, definitely an interesting setup headed into Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.